In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video on Kapwing. If you're looking to make your content more dynamic or simply trim down time on longer clips, tweaking video speed can be a great tool in your editing arsenal. Whether you're creating a time-lapse effect or just want to rush through a mundane part of your footage, speeding up your video can make all the difference. And with Kapwing bonds, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's start by navigating to your Kapwing project. Once you're in the Kapwing interface, you'll want to head directly to your timeline. This is essentially where you'll see the sequence of your video and any changes you apply. It's always good to familiarize yourself with the timeline view, as it's one of the most powerful features of any video editing tool you use. Now, when looking at your timeline, you should notice a speed setting indicator appearing as 1.0x. This figure represents the normal speed of your video playback. The simple logic here is that 1.0x is the default speed at which your video normally plays. To begin altering the speed, go ahead and click on that 1.0x speed marker. By clicking on it, you're given the option to adjust the speed. If your aim is to speed it up, you want to change this to a higher number. The higher the number you select, the faster your video will play. For instance, changing it to 2.0x will double the speed of the video. Consider what percentage of speed increase would work best for your particular needs. A faster speed can give a vibrant, energetic feel to your video, though you want to ensure the faster pace doesn't make it too difficult for your audience to follow the content. It's also important to keep in mind that changing the speed of your video will also inherently alter the length of your footage. Speeding it up will reduce the duration of your video, which can be a handy feature if you're trying to fit a clip into a specific time frame. Another tip is to always preview your video after you make speed adjustments. This ensures there's a natural flow and that the speed aligns with your intended message or audience expectation. You can do this quickly on Kapwing by simply hitting the play button to see how your sped-up video is coming across. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your project. Saving your work often is a useful habit to develop to prevent any progress loss. And there you have it, a quick and simple method to speed up your videos using Kapwing. With these steps, you can efficiently manage the pacing of your video projects to better convey your story or message. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.